So now that we have Pillow installed, it's time to learn how to work with images. But first of all, we need to learn the basics. So to learn the basics, let me just create here a new file in the Python underscore Pillow, and I'm going to name it. Here, click on new file, and then I'm going to name it main.py. And then hit enter, and now we have our main file. And now inside that our main file, let me just maximize this. In our main file, what we want to do is that we want to import classes that come with Pillow. So I'm going to say here, let me zoom in first. I'm going to zoom in, and then I'm going to type here import from PIL, which is our library, PIL import, and then the modules or the classes that we are interested in. The first class that we need to learn about is the image class. So I'm going to import the image class, and now we have this image, which is very, very important, probably the most important class in this library. And once we have imported this class, what we want to do is that we want to learn how to open an image. How can we open an image? First, you need to use this class here. I'm going to say image, and then dot, and then open. Very, very easy. Open. And then inside that open, you need to provide the location of the image that you want to open. How can you get the location of the image that you want to open? Well, it's very simple. First, you need to know, of course, where the image that you want to open is. So I have here 3 images. I have 3 images here. This one, coconut and palms and beach. We have 3 images, but we want to know where they are. Of course, we just know where they are because they are on our desktop. But we need the complete path, not just desktop, because Python or Pillow wouldn't be able to determine the exact location. So we need to provide it with the complete path. So to get the complete path, you can simply right-click and then click on Get Info, and then it's gonna here give you the complete location. Here it's gonna tell you that it's inside my users folder, and then inside my my computer name or username, and then inside my desktop. So you need to provide it with the complete path. So you can copy this. Just highlight it and then copy it, and then here in this inside these double quotes, just paste this, and as you can see, it says users and then the desktop. But this is not enough, of course, because this is just the path. We also need the name of the image. So / and then the name of the image, which can be one of these. Let's open the coconut.jpg. So I'm going to say here coconut.jpg. So as you can see, we have the complete path. We have the users and then username and then desktop and then the name of the image. And once we have supplied this function with the complete path, we can use another function to open this image, but we need to store this in a variable. I'm going to store this in a variable called, let's say, coconut image, and then I'm going to be using this coconut image variable, coconut image, and then you can call a function called show, and this function will open this image. Let me now save, and then let me first click on here file and then save, and then I'm gonna right click, and then I'm gonna click on run Python file in terminal and see what's gonna happen. So as you can see, the Python image was executed, and guess what? The image pops up. As you can see, we have this image, which is the coconut image. So this is how you can open an image using the Pillow library.